guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnetic, and I'm Pallavi with you guys. So yes, I am making a video after a long time, almost after two and a half months. If you're not following me on Instagram, then do follow guys, because I had been posting a lot of small reviews over there, and also I used to create some makeup look and I used to post the picture over there. So if you guys are not following me there, then you guys are missing a lot. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The link of my account is given in the description box below, so click it and follow me over there. And those who follow me on Instagram, they must know that I was having my exam, my 5th semester exam. That's why I was off from social media. Not from social media, I was off from making any videos. So right now I'm back with my work, with my makeup videos. And yes, of course, I missed you all a lot. I missed doing my videos, and I have seen many people were commenting on my previous videos. Thanks a lot for that. And 2 of my videos gave people gave a lot of good reaction on that, so thank you for that as well. So let's not further ado and let's get started with today's video, which is a review video on this Xoxo product. This is a beauty blender, tear cut shape beauty blender, which I got from Xoxo, and this is available on Amazon and on Xoxo's website. I will be linking both of the website, both of the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check that. So I won't blubber any more time and just get away straight. Before I start the review, I would like you guys to watch the demo first, and then I'll get So let's get started with the review. I know I'm blabbering a lot because होता है ना कि काफ़ी दिन के बाद कर रही हूँ ना, तो वो चीज़ जो है वो चला गया है बात करने का तरीका. So let's just forget it and let's just get started with it. And so first and foremost, the price of this sponge, this particular one sponge, is 600 something if I'm not wrong. The price will be mentioned in the description box below, as well as somewhere on the screen I'll mention it. And with this sponge you get a smaller teeny tiny sponge, which you have seen me using blending my contour and my highlight. And even this teeny tiny sponge works amazingly. Trust me guys, it works super amazingly. And these are so squishy. You can see these are so soft, just like a marshmallow. Trust me, they're very soft. So this sponge blends your foundation, your concealer, your highlighter, your contour, everything amazingly on point. You can see my base, it is looking really flawless. This also blends the powder as well. When you're patting your powder on your face to set your face, that also it blends amazingly. So this sponge works with powder, with liquids, with everything. So from my side, this sponge gets a 5 out of 5 because I am in love with this sponge. Trust me, because the texture, the blendability is amazing. This sponge doesn't even require a lot of product. Trust me, this sponge doesn't soaks up any product. Just the I saw that the blush which I used, which was from Etude House, the Dear Darling tint. This one was a little problematic to blend because this is very liquidity. It's watery actually, so it was little problem to blend. Otherwise it went perfectly. And let's talk about the smaller one. The smaller one is also very squishy and very easy to blend, like to blend the products. And this also worked amazingly with the highlighter, with my contour. You can see it gives an amazing finish to my face, and I'm personally in love with both of these products. So very big shout out to the Xoxo and Anamika Sureka, who is the owner of Xoxo. I love the product. Even I have the eyeshadow brushes from them, which I will be reviewing in my next video probably. Even I have the eyelash, which is an amazing product. I have created some looks with that eyelash as well in my Instagram, so do follow me there. If you guys are not following me there, you are not going to get any update, because those who are following me over there, they must have known that I was having an exam, and that's why I was off for few days, and also I was uploading small reviews over there. So if you guys are not following me there, do not forget to follow me there. The link of my account is given in the description box below, so do check it. So let's just sum up with the review. I don't want to bore you guys a lot. So this is a very squishy and soft sponge. Blends the product very easily. Expands a lot when it's dipped in the water. It expands huge. You can see it's almost my palm size. Expands huge. And it works with powder and with liquid products both. So that was, I guess, all the pros. And also it doesn't soaks up any products. So one con I would like to say that it's a little tough to wash it, because it does leave stain. It does get stained. Like, I think so I will have problem removing the red part over here, because I have used this before as well, because I was having some marriage ceremony going on and I was using this sponge. I tried to clean it very nicely, but still there was a lot of stain remaining. So I guess that is only the one con of this beauty blender. Otherwise, this is worth every money. So if you guys want to So guys, if you like my video, you guys know what to do. That is thumbs up, comment down, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, because it is absolutely free, guys. You don't need to pay any penny for that. And also hit the bell button beside it, because if you are only subscribed and if you do not press the bell button, you won't get any notification while I am uploading my videos. So do press the bell button and hit the subscribe button before that. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Ta-da!